So we're just sitting here in this freaking dead Applebee's.
That's kind.
There's no one here. There's no one here except for this kid.
There's some people.
Not really, no. They ditched me. Anyway, we're in Sports Authority. Let's go. Hey, Peter.
What's up, guys? Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to Grid Camera. Follow me, Pet Dot, on Twitter.
Yep. Okay. That was fun. I guess. I swear this just happened. I feel like one of those motorcycle drivers that have like their handles are way up here, you know, they're just like, ah. That's what I kind of feel like now. Yeah, exactly. And we just basically recreated that whole part. Practicing some disc golf there. Let's see your best throw.
Practice that wrist snap.
Here's throw on. Treat.
Mailbox, but I wasn't even close.
Wow. So it's freaking pouring again.
Good song.
And we're off.
3.
What is it? Oh,
Good Bull back in town.
Men in Black 3. I didn't see that. Anyways,
Good movie.
going to White Castle to get some sliders and crap. Actually, I don't know if I will.
I swear to God, if you guys just get.
What the heck? There's a Casey's here? I thought they're like... What?
Never noticed that.
I've never seen that before, actually. It's weird.
Come on. Let's go, guys. 5-3 up. 5-3 them. Those nice license or something. Oh, God. My eye. No, it's hurting my eye. Why? I don't know. To the time. Oh. I thought it was oh! Baby, yeah, buddy. 8-4. All right, new ball. Your ball, Jack. This ball's gonna get soaked right now. Oh! 8-7. 8-7. Oh, please, Violet. Yeah. Wow, I'm wet. I've got a towel. I better dry it off before I stop there.